Another week in Dunas Beach Resort. As you can see, we keep on doing the platforms of the villas, going up. Around here last week we saw the excavation. We have already the rising structure. All the treatment because of the humidities on the columns, and then the first slab, the formwork already done. As we told last week, we have two teams working in parallel, so in the other side with the same pace, another slab, working the machine doing some foundation, and over there the levels and our stock of plants.